we started going to Lake Camanche this winter for trout fishing. It was getting warmer. And for us, the bank angler for trout, we realized this was coming to an end of the season. While out of town, I found out that weekend the trout pond actually received a 900-pound of nothing but lightning trout, which is something that we learned recently and never have a chance to catch a single one. What an enticing fact. Yet we're out of town. Well, we were available the following Tuesday. That morning, I tried to convince my wife to come with me. In the beginning, she refused, thinking that by that day, all the fish would have been caught, and there will be nothing left for us to catch. Well, again, this is the end of the season, and I thought, even if we didn't catch anything, it would be nice to be out, just enjoying the scenery. At least I thought.
Yep. Yeah, I got one. Oh gosh. All right. Jeannie, I need help. It's a fighter. It's a fighter. It's a fighter. I got one. It's a oh. No. Hold up. I don't know. It caught the. No, you got it. Wait. Put it down. Put it down.
I'm putting down.
Need help? Yeah, I probably need that. I covered.
Do you have another net?
Yeah.
Hold on. Sorry.
I think it went through the somehow. It went through the net. Okay, you got it. Wait.
No, you almost had it. You had to.
There you go.
Yeah, I think.
Because it's.
No, you put it lower. Lower. No.
Oh, you got him now.
Flip it the other side.
You got him.
I got it. Thank you. All right, it's a beautiful one.
I had a net like yours, and I put another stick in here.
Yeah.
Make it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Nice.
Yes. Oh, yes. You got your first, well, we'll see.
Where
Keep
do
it.
you go?
No. Do whatever you need to. I got it. No, I think, yeah, she got a little one. Yeah, first, I hope, her first light link. Oh, let it fight. Still have some strength. Yeah, they fight. I think it's not ready yet.
Snap that line.
I got it.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Yes, your first one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I just cast it. I didn't even have a chance to put on the bell. I see the line. Oh, there you go. You see it?
Yeah.
That's okay. Give me a little bit of time. It's gonna fight. Well, it's a fighter. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see it? It's a big fighter. Ah, I think I lost. No, nope. You still have it. Nope.
No.
No, I lost it. Yeah.
No.
It's a fighter. Yeah. 哎，我还没有。Yep. Yep. Still there.
I got his fish.
Aha! Small one. My God.
I'm gonna put down here.
Yeah.
Could I put it on here?
Yeah. Put wherever. Small fish.
Oh, small one. Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, it's a small one. Oh, wait.
Wait.
Okay.
My net is wrong side.
The smallest fish. Yeah, probably 1 pounder.
Can we take a picture now?
Yeah. Let me.
Oh.
I gotta just put on the ground.
Yes, I am.
No, wait. Let me get my net. It's okay. Yep, still on. Still on. Take your time. Yep. Take your time. Oh, it's a trout.
I'll tremble.
No, it's a... Huh. Is that a trout? It's a small one.
Yeah, it is rainbow.
I don't think you need that.
You want me to just pull it up?
Where's the fish? Yeah, let's pull it up. Actually, it's pretty good size.
The line?
No, just that there's people putting the tree.
I'm gonna just cut the line.
Okay. Small rainbow. Oh. I need to get the net for you. Oh, I see it. Small one. It's a lightning. What?
I don't know where it's going.
Right in front of you.
I know. But it's so near. 也许你这边比较好。
没有你尽量能拉过来，因为我杆子在那一边呢。Let it run. Okay, small one, but
Oops.
lightning trout.
I'm gonna cut it like that too.
Look at the Irish.
Yeah. 拉回来，拉回来。
Oh shit.